Hi Aries, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a you and yours today. You and yours, my old subscribers, you know that, right? You and yours is a reading for you and the person who's affecting your energy the most right now. And this could be anyone. This could be your lover, could be your husband, could be your father, could be your mother-in-law, boss, whoever's in your energy, and what we need to know about that and how we can handle the situation. Okay, so, I don't like this card. The Magician in reverse wanted to show out again for you, Aries. But I don't believe that. Maybe it was bad shuffling on my part. So I've put the card back. All right. So let's begin your reading and see what really wants to show up for you today. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Aries gang. Send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Aries, let's begin your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, Aries, we welcome you too. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in. So, Aries, as always, I'm setting down 2 sets of cards. Oops, here it is again. I told you, I put this back in the center of the deck, and I shuffled again. And, well, you can't stop energy. All right, so I've forgotten what I was going to say. I don't remember. It's certain. I've just gone blank for a second. So I think I said welcome back, all my subscribers. Welcome in newbies. If you're new here, do join us. Subscribe to the channel. Become part of us. We welcome you in. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Aries, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. All right, so we're good to go, Aries. Bottom of my deck, I do have the happiest card in the deck for you, Aries. Let that be compensation, okay, for this stupid magician to come out. I think things are going to get all right, because this is like the sun. You know, the intensity of the sunshine is so much, it burns away any negativity. All right, so yes, let's go with that. And I'm going to put the fan on. Just give me a second. All right, so from the first look that I get here, Aries, I have for person A, for me this is person A, this is person B. You will know which side you resonate best with, right? For me, person A, this person was a kind of a player in the past, I think. They do want to take action desperately right now, but they're a little fearful that all their secrets are out now. They do want to rush towards person B. They're very passionate about person B. They want to approach person B. Whoever this is for you in your life, Aries, I don't know. Or this could be you. This person really wants to take action towards person B, but I think they're a bit fearful that certain things about them have been revealed now. And whereas person B is concerned, person B has put a complete halt to the situation, not even interested in moving towards person A anymore, or, having them come towards them. I hope that wasn't confusing. Let's start with some dialogue message cards here, Aries. If you guys could say something to each other right now, what that would be, and then we start clarifying these cards. So, Aries and their person, spirit. Aries and their person. Aries and their person. If they could say something to each other now. Oops, that's a lot of cards. Aries and their person. Aries, I've tried doing this reading for you. I mean, I always start with the Aries reading, right? So yesterday, in fact, I thought I'm not going to do a love read for Aries this time, because the same energy keeps showing through, and let me switch it around and maybe just do a Celtic cross for them, concentrate on them. And I have tried 4 or 5 different spreads, and just when I'm about to end, something sneaks back in. The last card will, go back to the story, so I have no choice. It's your choice whether to watch it or not now. Let the newcomers watch it, because this old energy is just persistent here, even now. Aries and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Okay, I've done this deck. I'm feeling a bit disoriented. I don't know, for some reason, Aries. Aries and their person. As if there's a lot of confusion around me, which is very, very rare. One second. Okay, so I'm going to start the reading now, okay? Seriously. You're much more attractive to me when you're empowered rather than you are insecure. I don't know who's saying this to who. It could be person B saying it to person A, that they find person A very insecure, very childish, very in and out, never taking responsibility. For person B, who's showing up as the Queen of Swords here, they want somebody who's on their vibration, their level, someone they can have conversations with, not be playing mind games here and there or any kind of games. So I think this is person B who's saying, I like it when you come to me in your power, not playing these silly childish games with me. At first I thought it was only sexual attraction. At first I thought it was only a sexual attraction, but it's so much more than that. I love you, mind, body and soul. Yes, I think this has been revealed to this player now. They've become very, very clear about the fact that this is not just an ordinary connection. This is probably a soulmate here. I'm considering moving on with the soulmate. I think this is the Queen of Swords again. I'm considering moving on with a soulmate, but I really don't want to have to. I'm sure person B also saw the potential in person A till they realized how immaturely they were behaving, or just being a player or something like that. They're saying, okay, if you're not going to level up to my level, then I might as well find somebody else, somebody new. Okay. I realize that you did not make me feel bad about myself. I did that. Yes, Aries, this is one thing that's been going on in my mind, which I wanted to discuss with you. As much as we blame other people that, oh, this person was immature or this person overtook from us, the point is maybe, the other person gave too much. Thinking that, one day, not having enough barriers or enough maybe self-respect or something like that, and people then take advantage of that. So I mean, tell me, Aries, after all this experience in the past, would you do this again? Now, the next new people, from what I'm seeing of your readings, your barriers are up, your guard is up. I mean, you have learned a very important lesson, right? Not to trust without seeing action. So yes, somebody is acknowledging that. I now realize that you did not make me feel bad about myself. I did that. I allowed you to, make a fool out of me, probably. I intuitively know that we will unite in divine timing. Somebody is still wishing and hoping for this connection, Aries. I have to improve myself. Sorry, I was looking at the timer to see whether the video was on also or not. I'm telling you, I'm feeling very disoriented right now. I'm feeling like scattered. I mean, even the reading is all over the place. I have to improve myself and my life to feel worthy of you. Yes, this person has realized what they've done. This clarity has come that they've been a trickster in the past. They've, played games, very bad games. I mean, Magician in reverse is not a very nice person. They use these illusions to trick people, which is not nice. And if they've done it to a soulmate or their partner, now they're kind of realizing what they've done. I keep reading our old text messages. I guess there's no conversation between the two of you, Aries. So somebody is trying to find clues as to how the other person really feels about them. When I said I love you forever, I meant it. All right, Aries, let's begin our reading. And before that, I'm going to take an angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Aries and send them a blessing, message, advice, or guidance. Blessing, guidance, confidence. Absolutely. Doesn't this look so much like this, Aries? Queen of Swords with her sword and Archangel Michael with their sword, saying, here's the sword. It's almost like, the angel is giving this Queen of Swords the sword of truth and saying, hey, cut off anything that is no longer suited to you, or at least have that clarity before you move forward with any past, present, or future person now. Right? So yes, confidence is the key here. You will not feel bad about yourself. Nobody can make you feel bad, Aries, until you allow them to now. Okay? Use that sword, but use it wisely. Alright, so let's start with the energies of person A. Knight of Swords and the High Priestess spirit in their current energies. Why do they feel like that? Knight of Wands and the High Priestess in reverse. Some lies got caught, Aries. I think they were trying to either excuse me, I'm getting choked. I'm gonna 1 second. Sorry, Aries, I was choking, I don't know, for some reason, and I had to shut the camera down. I'm back again. And yes, this person is, I think, choking on their own foolish behavior now. They lied about something in the past. They lied, they created some illusions, or they lied about being a player, or they were a player and they lied about wanting a connection with person B, and all their secrets are out. And I don't think they're feeling very good about that now. High Priestess in reverse, spirit. High Priestess in reverse. One more. Yes, I think the secret, Aries, was, yes. See, this is so clear. This reading is so clear. Now, this person was maybe a player in the past, right? And they approached person B pretending to be a Knight of Cups. They came, with their sweet nothings, and your eyes are so beautiful, and here's a rose for you, or a cup of love, or something. But in reality, all they were coming for, I think, was the passion. Right? And yes, this was a lie. This was a lie. Whatever sweet nothings was said were lies. They were a player. They were coming in for passion. They were not speaking their truth. And now that their lies has been exposed, Aries, they're stressed out big time. Big time. They thought they could get away with it. Maybe they've done it 100 different times to many different people. Going and singing them sweet songs and saying you're the only one, and your eyes are like stars, and your skin is like whatever. So all these sweet words, they managed to get a lot of sex from people, and that's what they thought they could get away with person B as well. But I think person B caught them out. The secret was revealed, and now this person is feeling very stressed out because they feel ashamed probably, and having sleepless nights over it. This person is very concerned about how person B is now looking at them. So what happened in the recent past, spirit, for this person to be feeling like that? Ace of Swords and the Magician in reverse. What's this Ace of Swords? Some truth came out about their trickster ways. This has already been clarified in the first two cards. Yes, some truth and clarity came out, Aries, about this person and their lying behavior, their trickster ways. Right, Spirit? Anything you'd like to add to that? Yes, the truth came out that this person had many options out there. They were doing this to so many people. But person B was very intelligent, probably had the sword, which Archangel Michael had secretly given them, that, we'll help you see the truth of this person. The Magician in reverse, Spirit. Yes, this was probably a go around. This could have happened earlier once again. This was a second chance, I think, that was given to person B, and they didn't take it even then. Or this was not accepted, or now not given, or this just didn't take off. This was a chance to have a beautiful life together for the both of you, but somebody didn't accept the offer, instead played the trickster, and didn't choose the correct path. So, how does this person feel now, Spirit, regarding person A or the connection? The Tower, they feel their world has blown apart. And the Six of Wands in reverse. They're feeling ashamed, they're feeling embarrassed, and they have a lot of regret about how things did not play out. They're suddenly realizing, hey, I didn't get away with it this time with this person, and now I realize this was my person. Am I right, Spirit? Why the Tower? Why the Tower for person, the way person A is seeing this connection, or person B? Yes, now they know. They know this was my star, this was my shining star, and they're also worried about the fact that now person B is single and looking beautiful, shining like a star, and out there, and they don't have it in them to even approach this fabulous person. The person who's glowing, who's abundant, who's looking beautiful is. Now they've realized this was my hope, then my wish, my star, my everything. And now, hey, I've lost this person. This is their Tower moment that they are going through. Okay? So, Six of Wands, Spirit. Why are they feeling ashamed, embarrassed, and feeling like they lost? Six of Wands. Because they were caught juggling. Yes. They took too long, Aries. I don't know whether this is you, that's you, I don't know. Let me know in the comment box. It's always interesting to see which side you fall on. And yes, this person is feeling, they are feeling, either they were juggling, Aries, they were juggling, or they couldn't make up their mind here. They're feeling like they lost that opportunity to put things right now. They've lost that opportunity. They want to do this, they want to have victory, they want to have success now, they want to bring things, into a balance now, but they don't know how. They're going back and forth because one person is very ashamed and embarrassed now. What can I say now after I've been caught out? It's almost like they've been caught with their hand in the cookie jar. And somebody's taken a photograph of them as well in the on their phone, so they can't even get out of it now because there's proof. Alright, so let's see person B. What action they'll finally take, I'll open later, Aries. Let's go on to person B. Person B has the Page of Pentacles in reverse and the Chariot in reverse. Yes, person B has put a halt to this connection, saying, I'm not making any move towards this person after this Tower has hit. The Tower is there in both your sides now. Okay? This person is saying this has already blown up. According to me, this is over, and I'm not even thinking now of moving back to the person A, to start anything new, nor am I waiting for them to come towards me. I think person B has been hit quite badly with this Tower. This was very unexpected. They almost like a shocking thing which they found out, and it just ended things for them. Yes, they feel this entire thing has backfired. Maybe they had hopes and dreams of, that one day things can come back into... I have the Seven of Swords and the Seven of Swords twice now. So somebody feels that, they're feeling like this whole thing has kind of backfired on them. Somebody cheated. They didn't expect this. This was unexpected. It's like, traveling to about for 1 hour to go to a mall, and you reach there, and just 2 seconds before you reach there, the mall the gates are shut. So what happened here? This was like a sudden shocker for person B. They feel They feel somebody cheated them in a very bad way. What's this Seven of Swords, Spirit? Yes, they don't want to start any new connection with person A anymore, because they feel that if every time I've tried, every time I've tried to make this relationship work, it's always gone a wrong direction. I've always felt like it's backfired on me, and I'm not going to fight for this connection anymore. I'm over and out. I'm not doing this again. I have my sword up now. I'm sitting on my throne. I'm looking away from this connection now. I'm not interested. I'm not going to be in a position anymore where things can, end up the way they have. Yes, again, I have the Five of Swords in reverse. Yes, this person feels they've been cheated upon. They feel like a loser in this connection, or at least that's what they're trying to avoid. And now they want to keep their sword up, ever ready. That before anyone can come play mind games with me, steal my swords, I'm holding my sword very tight, towards me, and I'm not even going to start this story again. So let's see. How does person B now feel towards person A or the connection? The Moon and the Six of Swords. They feel person A has never really opened up to them. They've been keeping secrets from them, and has taken a totally different direction or gone a wrong direction in their life. They feel this person A is a very controlling kind of a person. They pretend to be stronger than they look. They feel they could be a bit of a coward who's trying to pretend to be the boss, and they feel that this person doesn't deserve to be sitting on an emperor's chair and pretending to be an emperor, which they're not. The Moon again, yes, they feel this person has a lot of secrets, and they're very controlling, and it's always my way or the highway, and they try and control how this relationship will progress or not progress, always hiding things from them. Six of Swords, Spirit? Six of Swords. Yes, I think person B is making this choice here. They feel this person A is the Emperor in reverse and the King of Pentacles in reverse. Quite self-centered, very materialistic, puts money over love, is very controlling. I mean, whatever bad thing they can think of, I think they're thinking at the moment. Also, they're closing off. They're not. I don't think you guys are even talking to each other right now. This is. They know that they have to make a choice regarding this connection, and never, ever, ever go back to a connection which can, bring conflict in their life once again. Okay, so let's see. This is quite a stalemate here, but I do have the Sun energy, Spirit. Bottom of my spread. What is this all about? I'll figure out. Let's see what person A's action is going to be. Four of Wands in reverse. Why is that an action, Spirit? Person A will take. Four of Wands in reverse. They feel, what's the point? What's the point? Even if I give an apology, it's not going to be accepted. They don't have the words to apologize. In their mind, this relationship has lost its chance and come to an end already. There's a lot of stagnancy here already for some time now, I think, Aries, and this person doesn't have the words. They're on this verge of saying that, or at least they're accepting that because they never offered anything stable, they've been released from this connection. I think this person is coming to terms with it, that it's not going to happen now. Let's see what person B is going to be doing. Five of Cups. Why is person B in regret and sorrow now, Spirit? Oh, because person B really did love person A. Person B actually did love person A a lot. They had sweet feelings for person A, but the whole problem is it didn't work out, maybe because of third parties or something. So there's a lot of regret and sorrow from person B's end also, to realize that, this thing had a lot of potential. Nobody really, looked after it, this connection. It's like a harvest which was now not watered, no fertilizers were given, and instead of growing into a healthy crop, no investment, nothing came out. So a bit of sadness here. So let's see, why is the Sun card here then, Spirit? Why is the Sun card here? Why is the Sun card here for Aries? Aries, I think person B is putting this relationship to an end for the time being and walking away. There is still a lot of waiting going on between both of you, I think, or at least where person A is concerned. Heart of hearts, you both know that you do make each other very happy, right? You did or do make each other very happy. You do have these feelings. But because there is so much stagnancy right now and nobody making a move, nobody investing in this connection, one person is just waiting or not moving, seeing their partner just walk away. And there is stagnancy. Sad reading, Aries, but I guess that's the way it is. Alright, so that's all I have for you right now. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.